Hello friend, welcome back to Swift programming language tutorial. This is Golden Sun. In this video, we'll talk about the protocol. Swift is the first protocol-oriented programming language. So protocol is the core of this programming language. Where are they? They are here, right? This guy is a protocol. If we hold on Option key and click, right? This is a protocol app. Scene, this one is also a protocol. And if we check this one, scroll down, we can see open the developer documentation. Yeah, very important. We should be able to take a look or search something in the official documentation, right? So for example, this one, and we can see, scroll down, in implementing an app, we here, this one is important. Required, it means the var body, this property is required. Yeah, something else under it will introduce in the future videos, but this one we can see, right? That's why we need to provide a var body here. It's required, okay? And we can also search. For example, we can search like sequence collection, okay? Oh, for example, let's search our array, okay? And we can see here relationship. That's another important place we want to check, right? Array confirm. This is a struct, right? It confirms to, okay, topic. Now relationship, it confirms to those things, say hashable, random, mutable correction. Okay, this one we can chase down, right? Relationship. Oh, so it this protocol this is mutable, this protocol, right? Let's see. Oh, that's a bug, I think. Okay, now let's click relationship. For example, yeah, it inherits from this one, correction, and confirming type array, right? Correction. So let's check. Wow, inherits from sequence. So it means yeah, at the root we have a very important protocol sequence, something like that, right? You can play with that documentation. And today we'll go to a concrete and useful protocol for our chess example. Let's create another struct for our chess game, okay? Chess itself. No fields. Fields is the properties, okay? Now let's adopt a protocol named CustomStringConvertible, right? This guy, and wait for a few seconds. Autocomplete will, right? Because yeah, we can check the documentation now to see what is required here. Overview, instance property required here, right? Description, yeah, so we need a variable description with type string there, and luckily Xcode provides this help. So fix. Okay, it's a string. So we can we do that? Equals description, and this is our chessboard. Okay. Now let's try to create an instance of chess. Okay, that game equals chess, this one. Now let's print out this game. Okay, so CustomStringConvertible will provide a description which will appear when we print this instance. Okay, run it. Yeah, you see, this is a chessboard. Okay, and so in this video, let's print out our 8x8 empty chessboard. Okay, so how can we put more code, right? Like a single string literal, we can do that like this, and we can return a string here, right? Like a chessboard, the first row. Okay, how many dots? Like that. Yeah, run it. Let's implement this quickly using our for loop. So let's define our description equals empty string. Then we'll return this description, and the first for loop, we don't need that. We need 8 dots. Okay, so less than 8. We'll do this one dot append, right? Something like that. Okay, run it. Eight dots, right? Cool. And we need 8 rows of them, so we can put another for loop, right? 8. Now we can move this one into here, and of course we need our line break, so dot append a line break like that. Ta-da! Another way to do this append thing is this one. The plus sign, the plus operator for string is concatenation. Okay, so this is same. We can even do this, right? Plus equal, it means we'll concatenate the line break. Okay, great. So to recap, we played with this protocol, right, by providing this required field or property which has string type. Okay, now we put our description of an instance of chess by outputting this kind of string. Okay, so when we print the instance, by default it will use the description as the content to print out. That's it. Thank you for watching. See you next time.